Hello friends, this is Aditi Pandey. So today we are going to discuss the question and answer of lesson 1, that is environment. So let's head on to our question and answer. First question, answer the following question. Bit 1. What is an ecosystem? All plants and animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often, they are also interdependent on each other. The relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Bit 2. What do you mean by natural environment? Answer. Natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Bit 3. Which are the major components of environment? Answer. The major components of environment are as follows. Natural, such as land, water and living things. Human made, such as building, parks, roads, etc. Human, such as individual, family, community, religion, education, etc. Bit 4. Give 4 examples of human made environment. Answer. Bridge, road, industries and monuments are example of human made environment. Bit 5. What is lithosphere? Answer. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer on the earth which is made up of rocks and minerals. Bit 6. Which are the two major components of biotic environment? Answer. The two major components of biotic environment are plants and animals. Bit 7. What is biosphere? Answer. Biosphere is the living world which is comprised of plants and animals kingdom. It is a narrow zone of earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. And the next is tick the correct answer. Bit 1. Which is not a natural ecosystem? Answer is B. Aquarium. Bit 2. Which is not a component of human environment? Answer A. Land. Bit 3. Which is a human made environment? Answer C. Road. Bit 4. Which is the threat to environment? Answer B. Growing population. And let's come to our next question, and that is match the following. Column A and column B are given here, and this is the answer. You can see the question in your book, NCERT Geography book. Biosphere matches with narrow zone where land, water and air interact. Atmosphere matches with blanket of air which surrounds the earth. Hydrosphere matches with domain of water. And at last environment, our surroundings. So let's go to give reasons. First bit, man modifies his environment. Answer. Man modifies his environment to fulfill his needs and make his life comfortable. He also modifies his environment to adapt himself to the natural surroundings. Bit 2. Plants and animals depend on each other. Answer. Plants and animals depend on each other for their own sake. Plants release oxygen during process of photosynthesis that animals breathe in and absorb carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis that animals release. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my video. And let's meet in our next video, and that is lesson 2, inside our earth. If any doubt, please write it in the comment section.